What they do is they have you during your brushing of your teeth in the morning and at night. It's just like the easiest time, but you can do it anytime. Or if you start to feel tense, if you have maybe an interview coming up, maybe I felt nervous today for my interview. So right before we get on the interview, I would actually cough, right? It's like a fake cough. You just and just create that fake cough. Or you can do like a brushing of the teeth, and you could do the gag reflex if you prefer that. It doesn't need to be crazy intense. You don't need to like feel like you're going to throw up or anything. It's just a slight activation. And the vagus nerves runs down here through your neck. And that activates that system to help regulate you. You can mix it with things like inhaling in your left nostril. You can inhale there and do different types of scents. That can help calm the system down as well. And you can mix those together if you want to.